constant attempt to understand and manage the forces that determine human prosperity and suffering. This essay traces the major currents of economic thought across more than 2 centuries, examining how thinkers responded to the challenges of their times and how their ideas continue to shape policy debates today. From Adam Smith's foundational work on market mechanisms, this was, oh, I should have mentioned, sorry, around this time, Adam Smith's book came. On market mechanisms, to Thomas Piketty's contemporary analysis of inequality, we will explore how economic theory has been both reflected and influenced the material conditions of human existence. So, first, the Industrial Revolution and the birth of modern economics. The Industrial Revolution, beginning in Britain in the late 18th century and spreading across Europe and North America throughout the 19th century, fundamentally altered society. The shift from hand production to machines, the development of machine tools, this happened primarily it started around the area of Nottinghamshire in England, and where the cotton mills, woolen mills, those were there. People used to work by hand before machines to go. This transformation demanded new ways of thinking about economic organization. The medieval framework centered on guilds, feudal obligations, and religious restrictions on usury could not adequately explain or manage the new industrial economy. Mercantilism, the dominant economic philosophy of the early modern period, which emphasized the accumulation of precious metals and government regulation of trade, seemed increasingly inadequate for understanding the complex dynamics of industrial production and exchange. So this was the uh, period when suddenly machines came in, the way economics was organized, economic organization, that had to be changed. So in you know, almost concomitant during this period, Adam Smith, The Wealth of Nations came in.